Boeing 787 crashed in India with no survivors reported. Stock immediately drops 4%. Here's what investors need to know. This Air India flight had 242 people on board. For Boeing investors, this is critical. The 787 Dreamliner has never had a fatal accident before. This breaks their perfect safety record. Boeing already paid $1.1 billion this month for 737 MAX settlements, now facing potential new liability. The ripple effect is real. Spirit AeroSystems down 2.6%. GE Aerospace fell 2.2%. Plot twist. Air India was negotiating to buy 200 more Boeing planes. That's billions in potential orders now at risk. Boeing trading at $205. Is this a buying opportunity or red flag? Comment your take.